Okay, here in the share section of our HyperDoc, you get to share the work that you've been creating and the knowledge that you've been learning. So we are going to create a group tweet. In your group tweet, you will include the following here. An explanation of why PLNs are beneficial to educators, a link to your experience creation. So the link will also be up here. It's the slide presentation that you and your group built together. And then you will include these hashtags. Tag Jamie and I in your tweet, and then the members of your group. You only need one tweet per group. Unless everybody wants to tweet one out, that's okay too, but only one group member is required to tweet.